Hey, this is Anil Agrawal from marketingautomationfocus.com, and today I'll show you how to set up integration between Encharge and ConvertBox. So let's go over to Encharge account. Once you're inside of your Encharge account, go on top right, click on your profile photo and go to your account. This will bring you to this page, and on this page copy this right key. So copy that and let's go over to ConvertBox. Under your ConvertBox account, click on your account profile name and go into settings. It will bring you to account settings and there are different tabs here. Go over to integrations and then scroll down a little bit and you'll see Encharge listed, and click on connect. Give this account a name. Let's just say Encharge, and I'm just gonna call it MAF. That's for marketing automation focus, and I'm gonna paste this, and I'm just gonna choose this. All sites in my account have access to this integration, and connect to Encharge, and it's all done. Now I could go to my form. So let's go to I'm just going to go to one of the forms here. Let's go to edit, and if I select here, then I'm going to form settings, and then I'm going to click integrations, and I'm going to add integration, and I'm going to select Encharge MAF and select action, which is only right now sync visitor info, add integration, and you save, and you're all done. That's all there is to it. Hope this helps. Bye now.